We're here for another episode. This is being filmed at night. The video was filmed in the morning. We were just up early and started early, so I really just forgot to film an intro for you guys. But it's nighttime now. Well, sun's going down. We had an awesome day. Roy, my buddy with the 13 Camaro SS, brought his car over. We've been meaning to polish his car, like do a cut and polish on it to revive the paint a little bit and get it looking a little newer and a little bit better shape so he can enjoy the look of it as well. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to flip over to the video we had today with the progress of me doing the polishing on the car. I hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned. We got Roy's car now. Just showed up. We're going to be doing a full cut and polish on this car. I'll get a good shot in the sun here so you guys can see how the paint is. It's a pretty rough shape. So we're gonna clean this thing up and get it prepped. I mean, look at how bad that is. A lot of scratches and stuff and scuffs that I'm gonna be able to get out. But I just want to give you guys a before to see the shape it's in right now. I mean, the whole car is pretty much like that, swirl marks. It's really not bad, it's just swirl marks everywhere, so it won't be too hard. There's some scratches and scuffs that are a little bit bigger, so I'll have to cut into those a little bit more, but yeah, you can just see how it is. So I'm gonna do the old test strip down the hood, and I'll do my test panel, and that'll be complete, and then I'll show you guys how different it is in the sunlight. Yeah, so what we're really focusing on back here is make sure the rear of the car is like really shiny, so that when all y'all motherfuckers are just getting drugged, y'all have something nice to look at. And then this is just the cut. There's no polish to bring the shine out yet. It's just cutting it down, getting rid of some of those swirl marks and defects. And then we'll put the polish on, bring out the depth. It's good stuff. Hey, bring the camera in close, right over the top. Oh, what up? Look at that. Perfect. I'm not quite sure how to put this, but I'm kind of a big deal. Holy shit. Look at this shit. Ready for this? Woo! Damn, broskies.
It's like a fucking new car.
Here we go.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad, look at him get a snack.
Nice.
All right, it is all done. We're just gonna pull it out in the sun and wipe up anything that we missed. But this thing looks amazing.
Let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Looks so good. So good. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, is that a mirror?
Hell yeah. Nice. Turned out really good, guys. Pretty happy with it. There's a lot of blemishes on there that I couldn't get, but I mean, damn. Play the game is, where's the car? Can't see it. That's gonna do it for this episode. I hope you guys liked it. Roy's got a brand new car now. It's right there. He just picked it up from the dealership. So it's all good to go. So if you wanna catch an L, just inbox me or email me and we'll get you set up. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you later. Peace.